Welcome to Tamarin Bay, my friends. Now you must know this place for its amazing waves and surfing culture, but there is a lot more to Tamarin Bay. Now we are at the river mouth where the fresh water coming inland from the river Rempart is coming out at sea into Tamarin Bay. One amazing thing to note is that Tamarin Bay is well known for its bullsharks and for its big waves, and that is because of the river. The fresh water that is flowing down from the river is getting into the seawater and mixing in. Corals don't like fresh water. It doesn't allow them to thrive. On top of that, the river is bringing in a lot of sediment, which is making the water kind of cloudy, not allowing sunlight to go through and allowing for coral growth. Now this is amazing in itself, but there is something spectacular, and it is there, inside of the river system. As you can see, life is very diverse here, and obviously it will bring people. And here we have fishermen fishing for freshwater eels. Now the freshwater eel actually goes to sea very far, quite offshore, where it can lay up to 4 million eggs. That same eel is gonna die after laying its eggs, whereas the juvenile are just gonna float around in the ocean current, finding their way into streams and rivers like we have here. The freshwater eel is not the only fish species that can live in both fresh and salt water. Now I had the very unique chance of swimming with a few of them by the river mouth of Tamarin Bay. And it's a shark, the bull shark.